Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vimati, and of course today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this contact lens. It's called Freshlook color blends. So if you open the box, this is what you will see inside. Now this is like a jar of solution that you use for your contact lens. Then this also is like a case for each of your contact lenses. One of them is the right and the other one is the left, so you put each contact lens in each, and that's what you'll be using for each of your eyes. Now there's this two little small bottle. It comes with the contact lens. So the contact lens is inside the solution inside this bottle, soaked. That's been soaked for you so that's for easy use. So those both bottles, one for each of the contact lenses. So I'll just return it back to the case. So furthermore, it comes with this stuff, is a tweezer and applicator. Use this one to pick and use this one for the tweezer, and it comes with a very contact lens friendly pouch on it, and the other one is for applying the contact lens. I'll show you how to do that further in this video. Now this is an eye drop for you to disinfect your eyes. So after you remove your contact lens, you can always disinfect your eyes, and that's just basically what that is for. It's an eye drop that you use maybe after you disinfect your eyes once every week. Furthermore, this is the solution. Like I said earlier, this is a solution for your contact lens. You'll be pouring it inside that jar. So now I have opened up the case, or little jar for each, one for the right, one for the left. I have washed it. I have washed my hands also. So this is how we'll open this out. Just peel off the iron parts of it so that you can review the part of the cover that can be opened. You understand? Just pull out the cover like that, and then you drop it. So I'm just going to leave you to do the same thing for the other one, the exact same thing. So when we are done doing that, you use the tweezer to pick the contact lens out of the bottom. So use tweezer to pick contact lens out of the bottom and put it in the right one for the case, and you do the same thing for the other one in the second space of the jar. So after you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and take the solution bottle. You open it. Make sure that you are the first person to open it. It was not broken before you opened it, and then you put it inside the contact lens cases in enough quantity. Please note that this solution, you can only use it for 3 months after opening. So after you've opened it, you cannot use it after 3 months. You have to buy another solution. Then also the water you're pouring inside this jar, make sure that you're changing it daily, every day. After you remove your contact lens from your eye, you throw away the water and you put it in a brand new water. So now I'm going to show you how to pick it. You use the tweezer to pick the contact lens, and then you put it on the applicator, the contact lens applicator, like that. So you use the tweezer and you put it on the contact lens applicator before you apply it to your eyes. Also, please remember that the contact lens that you choose for a particular eye is what you should keep using. The right for the right eye and the left for the left eye. and this is the Freshlook color blends, and some other contact lenses that also look like this. So that will be it, guys. I really hope this video was so helpful, and I'm going to be doing a video on how to apply contact lens to your eyes, so make sure that you like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.